Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube classes. So today our topic is coordinate geometry. So this is from the 10th class. So you all are know this chapter, right? So we are going to solve the first problem in this chapter. Okay. So exercise 7.1. So this is exercise 7.1. So in exercise 7.1, what is the first question given is? The first question is that find the distance between following pair of points. So we need to find the distance between the 2 points. So here 2 points are given, 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 1. These are the 2 points given. So we need to find the distance here. So distance between the 2 points. So I will write one formula. First we have to know the formula. The formula is distance between any 2 points. Distance between any 2 points, any 2 points A and B are P comma Q. P equals to x1 comma y1 and Q equals to x2 comma y2. x2 comma y2. So these are the 2 points P and Q. So what is the distance between P and Q? The PQ is equals to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance formula, right? So you should remember this formula for entire the exercise. Why? Because all the problems are based on this formula only. So just what is given, the first question is the points are, let us consider P as 2 comma 3 and Q as 4 comma 1. Okay. So here compare this with the P of x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. Then we will get the values of x1 value is, what is x1 value? That is equals to 2. And what is x2 value? X2 value is 4. And y1 value is, what is the y1 value here? That is 3. And what is the y2 value here? Y2 value is 1. Y2 value is 1. So these are the values. Now you have to substitute the values in the given formula. So that is equals to under root. Now x2 minus x1. x2 value is 4 and x1 value is 2. That is nothing but 4 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1. What is y2 here? y2 is 1 and y1 is 3. So whole square. Then after, so what we will get here? Just do a normal calculation here. Okay. So 4 minus 2. What is 4 minus 2 here? 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 is nothing but minus 2. Minus 2 whole square, that is equals to under root 2 square is what? 4 plus minus 2 whole square is equals to 4. So 4 plus 4 8. So 8 is the root 2. Under root 8 is the PQ distance. So we can write this root 8 as, so 2 square into 4, 2 square into 2. 2 square is what? 4. 4 into 2 8. So that is nothing but, so from the from the root we get 2 outside. So we can write as 2 root 2. So this is your distance. Okay, this is the PQ distance. This is the distance between the 2 points. So what I did here, you just remember this formula. What is the formula here? Distance between any 2 points. That is formula is here. So distance between any 2 points is under root x square x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. If you remember this formula, then it is easy to do the all problems. So moving to the next problem, see the next problem here. So the next problem is given that two pair of points are given. The 2 points are minus 5 comma 7 and minus 1 comma 3. So let us write the same thing what we written in the previous problem. So I will write, so distance between any 2 points distance between any 2 points P comma Q. So P is nothing but x1 comma y1 and Q is nothing but x2 comma y2. So PQ distance is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Are you clear? So just substitute the values. So here what is x1 and what is x2 you already clearly know here. x1 is what? x1 is equals to minus 5, x2 is equals to minus 1 and y1 equals to 7 and y2 equals to 3. So now just substitute them in the formula, so we will get the answer. So see now, just I am writing x2 value what? Minus 1 and x1 value what? Minus 5. Minus into minus plus, right? So plus 6, sorry, plus 5. Okay, plus 5 whole square plus y2 is what? 3. Y2 value 3 minus y1 value what? 7. 7 whole square. Okay, right. Now just simplify them, we will get the answer. Minus 5 plus 5, sorry, minus 1 plus 5, that is nothing but 5 minus 1 what? 4. So 4 square plus 3 minus 7. 3 minus 7 is nothing but minus 4. Yes or no? Yes. Then, so what is the 4 square for? 4 square value, 4 square is 16. Plus minus 4 square, it is also 16. So now 16 plus 16, that is 32. So our what is the distance between the 2 points? That is 32. So you can write this 32 in this manner also. See now. So 2 power 2. What? 2 square is nothing but 4 into 2 square 4. 4 4 ja. What is 4 4 ja? 16. 16 into 2. What? 16 into 2? 32. So under root here, under root, what is a 2 square 2 square? So two twos will come outside. Yes or no? Yes. Two twos will come outside. And what will remain here? 1 2 is remain under the root. So it becomes 4 root 2 is our answer. Are you clear? So 4 root 2 is a final answer of the PQ distance. So this is your second formula. Sorry, second solution. So just what we have to remember here, we have to remember the basic formula, that is distance between any 2 points. Distance between any 2 points. If you know this formula, just substitute the values in the form of variables. In the place of variables, you substitute the values, then you get the answer. So this is your second solution. So moving to the third solution. So this is your third question. So the question is given, what is given here? 2 points are given, minus 2 comma minus 3 and 3 comma 2. So let us do this problem. First I write the solution. See. So what is the formula for distance? I am directly writing distance formula is equals to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is a standard distance formula. Okay, so just substitute the values, then you get the answer solution. Okay, already written, right? No need to write again. Right. So just substitute the values here. Consider p of x1 comma y1 and p of x2 comma y2. Okay, so here minus 2 comma minus 3 and 3 comma 2. So these are the values. Okay, right. Substitute the values in the formula. So what is x2 value here? X2 value is 3. 3 minus, what is x1 value here? Minus 2. Minus into minus, it becomes plus, right? Plus y2 value what? 2 and y1 value what? Y1 value is minus 3. Minus into minus become plus. Are you clear? Right. So next, 3 plus 2 whole square. 3 plus 2 what? 5. 2 plus 3 what? 5. So 5 square is nothing but 25 plus 5 square is what? 25. So 25 means 25 plus 25 is nothing but 50. So this is your answer. Okay. If you want to make it simpler form, so you should do, what should you do here? See. So you can divide this 50, just factorize it. Okay. 225 is a 50. Then after 5. 5 is a 25, right? 5 1 is a 5. So we can write this as 2 power 1 into 5 power 2. Yes or no? Yes. So that is nothing but 5 square into 2. So can I remove the 5 1 from the root? Yes. I can remove the 5 from the root and I can write like this. So this is your 5 root 2 is your final answer. Okay. So this is a solution for the third problem. So moving to the next problem. So what is the next problem here? Fourth problem, that is a comma b and minus a comma b. These are the values, 2 points given. So you don't confuse here, just our distance formula, standard distance formula we know, right? So the distance formula is distance equals to under root x2 minus x1 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, right? So just substitute here. Here x1 is what? X1 equals to a, and x2 what? X2 equal to minus a, and y1 what? Y1 equals to b. Y2 what? Y2 value equal to minus b. Don't confuse here. Okay, it is very easy. Don't confuse here. So just substitute them. So if you substitute in the in formula, then you get answer. X2 minus x1. X2 what? Minus a minus x1 minus a whole square plus y2 what? Minus b, y1 what? B. Okay, here minus a what it becomes? Minus a means it becomes minus 2a, right? Minus 2a whole square plus minus b becomes minus 2b whole square, then under root minus 2 whole square. What is minus 2 whole square? That is nothing but 4a square plus minus 2b square means 4b square. Are you clear? Right. So now taking common as 2 square. Yes or no? Yes, we can take common as 2 square. Then what is left here? A square plus b square. Yes or no? Yes. So the final answer is 2 root a square plus b square. 2 root a square plus b square. This is your final answer. So can I explain once again? So here 2 points, x1 comma y1. Okay, x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2 already given. These are the points a comma b and minus a comma b. So this is a comma b minus a comma b, minus a comma minus b. So x1 value a, x2 value minus a, and y1 value b, and y2 value minus b. Just taking these values and substituting into the formula, then just simplify it, then finally you will get the solution. Okay, so next, moving to the next problem, that is next bit. So that is second bit. Okay, so second bit, we already, it is very easy. Find the distance between the 2 points, that is 0 comma 0 and 36 comma 15. So here what is the difference between the last previous problems and this problem? The difference is here given origin. So what is meant by origin? The point where 0 comma 0 is nothing but origin. Given origin P as 0 comma 0 and Q as 36 comma 15. So now we are finding the distance from the origin. Okay, distance from the origin to the Q. What is the point? Q. Q is nothing but 36 comma 15. So let us distance formula. What is our distance formula? Distance formula is distance equals to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. So here now I am writing clearly for your understanding purpose, x1 comma y1 equals to 0 comma 0, and x2 comma y2 is equals to 36 comma 15. Okay, 36 comma 15. Now just substitute in the formula, that is, so x2 what, x2 value what, here this is x2, right, x2 y2. Okay, x2 what, 36, sorry, x2 what, 36, 36 minus x1 what, 0 whole square plus y2 what, here y2 is 15 minus y1 what, 0 whole square. So that is nothing but under root 36 whole square plus 15 whole square. 36 whole square plus 15 whole square. Can you say 36 whole square and 15 whole square? Okay, we will do it. Okay, right. So now you simply remember here what is reflecting here, nothing but your x2 square is reflecting and y2 square is reflecting. So when you are finding the distance from the origin, the formula becomes under root x square plus y square, under root x square plus y square. This is your OP distance when you are finding the distance from the origin. So this is a simple formula. Okay, when you are finding the distance from the origin, you don't need to use this formula. So directly you use this formula, x square plus y square is your answer. Under root x square plus y square is a solution for this one. So just you do the 36 whole square. So I am doing 36 whole square means 36 into 36. So 6 is a 36 and 6 3 is a 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. Next 3 6 is a 18 and 3 3 is a 9. 9 plus 1 10. So if you add them, you get the answer. So what is the 36 whole square? The 36 whole square is 1396. 1396 plus 15 whole square, it is I think 225. We will do it. 15 whole square, 5 5 is 25, 5 1 is 5, 5 plus 2 7. Next 15 as it is, so it is 5, 5 plus 7 what, 2, it is 1. So here 225 is the answer. 225, 15 square is 225. Now add the both the things. So what we got here, first one 1396 plus 225. So 6 plus 5, that is 11. Next 12. Next 6 1. So what is the solution here? Under root 1621. So if you find this one is, then you will, this is your answer. What is your answer? Your answer is under root 1621. 1621 is your answer. So if you want to simplify it, you can simplify. See this, we did something wrong here. What we did here? Here 2 plus 0 is nothing but 2, right? So it is 2, not it is 3, it is 2. Okay, so it is 2, and here the answer going to change here. It is 2, right? So it is 2. Okay, now the answer becomes C here. Now is 8 plus 1 9 and 2 0, 2 plus 0 is equals to 2. So it is 1296. So here also 1296, this is 2. Okay, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5. So here 5 2 1 5 2 1 is this one. So under root 5121, if you do the squaring, it will get, that is 39 is the answer. Okay, so this is your final answer for the second question. Okay, moving to the next question. What is the next question given here? The next question is, verify whether the points 1 comma 5 comma 2 comma 3 and minus 2 comma minus 1 are collinear or not. So we should know that whether they are collinear or not. What is meant by collinear? We should know that one first. Okay, so what is meant by collinear? Okay, solution I am writing here. Collinear means sum of the two segments is equal to third segment. If sum of the if sum of the two segments if sum of the two segments is equals to the third segment is equal to the third segments, then that points are then that points are collinear. Okay, then that points are collinear. Okay, this is the collinear statement. See now, so what is the definition for the collinear? If sum of the two segments is equal to the third segment, then the points are said to be collinear. Okay, we will check it whether they are collinear or not. Okay, done. So verify whether the points are collinear or not. I am taking as a equals to 1 comma 5 and b equals to 2 comma 3 and c equals to minus 2 comma minus 1. So these are the 3 points given. So as the given I am taking, right? Okay, now. So what we do here, we are checking. First we will do for the AB. Okay, AB equals to under root distance formula. So I am writing the distance formula first. Okay, so distance between 2 points distance between 2 points equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the distance formula, right? Now we are finding the distance for a comma b. A is what? 1 comma 5 and b is what? 2 comma 3. And now substitute them in the equation, then we get the answer. AB equals to, this is considered as x1 y1 x2 y2. So what is x2 value here? 2. X2 minus x1, that is 1 and whole square plus y2 minus y1. Y2 what? 3 minus y1 what? 5 whole square. So just simplify them. 2 minus 1 1 whole square. 3 minus 5, that is nothing but minus 2 whole square. Okay, let us do them. Okay, right. So is equals to under root, so 1 square 1 plus 2 square 4, that is nothing but root 5. What is the AB value? Root 5. AB equal to root 5. Okay, moving to the next one. So that is BC we should find, right? Okay, we should find BC now. So we should find BC now. Okay, so what is the B1? Sorry, nothing but the B point 2 comma 3 and C point minus 2 comma minus 1. Now see, BC equals to under root x2 minus x1. So what is x2 here? This is x1 y1 x2 y2. What is x2 here? So x2 is minus 2 and what is x1 here? 2. So whole square plus y2 minus y1. What is y2 here? Minus 1. What is y1 here? Minus 3 whole square. So see now we have check x2 minus x1, right? Here x2 that is minus 2, x1 that is 2 and y2 minus 1, y1 3. So now minus 2 minus 4 whole square plus minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 whole square, that is nothing but under root. So 4 square is equal to 16 plus 4 square equals to 16. Okay, right. Now 16 plus 16 32. In the same manner, in the last problem we did, right? What we did here? So that is 2 square 4 into 2 square 4 4 sorry 2 square, sorry here 2 square 4 into 2 square 4, 4 4 just 16, 16 into 2. Okay, now what we will get here, that is nothing but here 4 come outside and it becomes 2. So what is the answer for BC? The BC value is 4 root 2. BC value is 4 root 2. Okay, clear. Now we are moving to the next one. What is the next one here? The next one is, the next point is AC. Okay, A, what is A? 1 comma 5. And what is C? C is minus 2 comma minus 1. Okay, so we should find this one now. See now, so we should find this. So points are correct, right? 2 comma 3, sorry, minus 2 comma minus 1 and 1 comma 5. So we should find the distance between the 2 points. So right, see now, so distance between 2 points, distance between 2 points equals to 2 points under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So now see then, so under root, so consider this as x1 y1 x2 y2. So x2 value minus 2, x2 minus x1, what is x1? That is 1, and plus y2 value, y2 minus y1, what is y1 here? 5 whole square. So then under root minus 2 minus 1, that is equal to minus 3 whole square plus minus 1 minus 1 minus 5, what is minus 1 minus 5? Minus 6 whole square, minus 6 whole square. Okay, minus 6 whole square, that is equals to under root 3 square what? 9, 6 square what? 36. So now add them. So if you add, what we will get, that is answer is 45. Okay, 45 is your answer. So now I will minimize this one once. Okay, enough. So see, we got all the three values, right? Yes or no? Yes, all the three values we got. Just compare them. Okay, just compare them. See now, this is value is AC. AC value is under root 45. Okay, now here AB is equal to root 5 and BC equals to, what is BC equals to? 4 root 2, and AC or CA equals to, AC equals to what here? AC equals to, and AC equals to here root 45. So if you do the sum, that is nothing but root 5 plus 4 root 2 is equals to root 45. No, right? So the sum of the two segments is not equal to the third segment. Yes or no? Yes. So we will say that the points, given points are not collinear. So therefore given points are not collinear. So this is your answer. So in one more way you can check it. How? By comparing the slopes. What is slope? M1 consider slope 1. So this is slope. Okay. What is the slope formula? Slope formula is x2 minus x1 by y2 minus y1. Okay, so you can compare the slopes and you can check it. Okay, it is a second way of method. Okay, you can do it. So if in this manner also we get, if both are not equal, so we can say that their points are not collinear. Okay, so this is your third solution. Okay, can I explain once again? Okay, I will explain it. So verify the, so what is given here? So verify the whether the points are 1 comma 5, 2 comma 3 and minus 2 comma 1 are collinear or not. So if sum of the two segments is equal to the third segment, then the points are said to be collinear. This is the condition. So I am taking A, B, C as the points. So first I am finding the distance First I am the finding the distance between a and b. Here a and b, I am finding the distance between a and b. So I am the substituting the a and b values in the formula. So I got the value root 5. And b and c, in the b and c I got the I substitute the values and I got the bc value. And a and c, I substitute the values, I got the ac value. So just comparing some of the two sides whether they are equal to third side or not, or some of the two segments is equal to third segment or not. If you do it, then if they are equal, then they are said to be collinear, otherwise they are not collinear. So this is your third solution. Okay, clear? So moving to the fourth solution. Now see the fourth question. What is the fourth question given? That the fourth question is check whether the points are vertices of an isosceles triangle or not. First of all, we know that what is isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Okay, if any two sides are equal, then we set the triangle as an isosceles triangle. Okay, any two sides are equal. So just we are going to the problem. So what are the vertices given here? A is 5 comma minus 2, and B is 6 comma 4, and C is 7 comma minus 2. So these are the vertices given here. Okay, so we need to find first AB and BC and AC. Okay, AB, BC and AC. So you should find these sides AB, BC and AC. So just first we take the AB. So as we know the distance formula, distance between any two points, distance between any two points is, what is the formula for distance between any two points? That is AB equals to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the formula, right? So just substitute them. What is the a value? A value is 5 comma minus 2, and what is b value? 6 comma 4. So as of now what we are doing, AB distance we are finding, right? So we should do the AB. A is here, B is here. So now substitute them in the formula. Okay, so this is x1 value, this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. Now x2 minus x1, what is x2 here? 6. What is x1 here? X1 is 5 plus, what is y2 here? Y2 is 4. What is y1 here? Minus 2. Minus into minus plus. Okay, it is plus 2. That is equals to under root 6 minus 5 1 plus 4 plus 2 6. 6 square. Okay, right. Now do the simplification. Right. So 1 square 1, 6 square 36. That is nothing but under root 37 is the answer. Okay. AB distance what? AB distance is under root 37. Under root 37 is the AB distance. Next we are going to find the BC distance. Okay. BC. What is point B here? Point B is 6 comma 4. And what is C here? C is 7 comma minus 2. 7 comma minus 2. So 7 comma minus 2. So substitute them in the equation distance formula. Okay. So by substituting in the distance formula, what we will get here? We get x2 minus x1. So here x1, y1, x2, y2. x2 is what? 7. What is x1? 6 whole square plus y2 what? Minus 2. What is y1? 4. So whole square, that is equals to under root 7 minus 6 what? 1 plus minus 2 minus 4. What is minus 2 minus 4? Minus 6 whole square. That is equals to under root 1 square 1, 6 plus 36. So it is nothing but what we are getting here? 37, right? Root 37. So here I am writing root 37. That is equal to root 37. So what is this root 37? This is BC side. Side BC equal to. Now we are going to find one more thing. That is AC. that is AC. What is A here? A equals to 5 comma minus 2, and B is, what is C here? C is 7 comma minus 2. Am I clear? A is equal to 5 comma minus 2, C is 7 comma minus 2. We should find the AC distance. AC distance. Okay, little bit more. Okay, right. See, now we are going to find this one. So just under root, what is the formula? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is a standard formula. So here this is x1 y1 x2 y2. Okay, right. Then substitute them. So what is x2 here? 7 minus, what is x1 here? 5 whole square plus, what is y2 here? Minus 2. What is y1 here? Minus 2. Minus 2 minus become plus. That is plus 2 whole square. So that is under root 7 minus 5. What is 7 minus 5? That is 2. 2 whole square plus 2 minus 2. 0. Yes or no? Yes. So here y2, see here y2 is minus 2 and minus y1. Minus become plus. So plus 2 minus 2 becomes 0. So what is the 2 square? 2 square is equals to 4. So under root 4 is your AC value. AC value is under root 4. Now what we first initially I said initially, if the two sides are equal, then we set the triangle as an isosceles triangle. Let us check the three sides, what we get the values. So I am writing here clearly each side. So side AB we got as, so I am giving the name here ABC. Okay, let us write. What is AB we got? AB we got root 37. And what is BC? BC equal to root 37. And what is AC? AC equals to root 4. So here two sides are equal, yes or no? AB equals to BC. So AB and BC are equal here. Yes or no? Yes. So this is your AB and BC. See here. AB, BC. Okay. So here this side is equal to this side. AB equal to BC. Both are same value we are getting. AB and BC. Okay. So we will set this as an isosceles triangle. So therefore you can write like this. We can check whether they are asking questions. Check whether these points are vertices of an isosceles triangle or not. Yes. Yes. 5 comma minus 2 and 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle, are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Am I clear? Right. So this is the answer for the fourth problem. Okay. So just I am explaining once again orally. So what we do here, first take any 2 points AB, next BC, next AC. Then after find the distance between AB, BC, AC and check whether the two sides are equal or not. Any two sides. If they are equal, then the triangle is said to be isosceles triangle. Okay. So this is your fourth sum. So now see the fifth problem. What is the fifth problem given? In a classroom, four students are seated at the points of A, comma, B, comma, C and D. Shown in figure. Okay, yeah, already given here. See this. This is I will highlight here. See now. So this is A1. A person sit here, and person B sit here, and C sit here, and D sit here. So these are the four friends seated at different places. Okay, right. So what is the question here? In a classroom, four friends are seated in the at the points A, comma, B, comma, and D shown in the figure. Jarina and Pani walk into the class, and after observing for a few minutes, Jarina asks Pani, "Don't you notice that ABCD is a square?" So Jarina asks the Pani this thing. Then Pani disagrees. Pani disagrees and using distance formula decide who is correct and y. So we need to find the all the distances. Okay. So and who is correct we need to decide. Okay. That is the question here. So let us find them where they are. So just finding them in the positions, finding their positions. First, I am taking A. Okay. So A person A at position A. So now A, see this one is third position and this is fourth. That is nothing but 3 comma 4. Yes or no? See position of the A is 3 comma 4. Next B, position of B. So position of B is in the sixth column, fourth row. Okay, in the sixth column, fourth row. That is nothing but 6 comma 7. B equal to 6 comma 7. Next C person. C sat in which where he sat here. So C person. What is C here? C equals to 9 comma 4. 9 comma 4. Okay. Next D. So D is what here? D is, so now see that one. So what is D here? D is in which column? Ninth column. Sorry, D is in not in ninth column, right? So where is D here? D is here, sixth column, 6 comma, which row is in first row? Okay, so 6 comma 1. So these are the points. You don't confuse by finding the points. Okay, these are the points. A, it is in 3 comma 4, and this is B. I am highlighting this one. See now, this is B, right? Here this is B. B is in the form of in the where is it is B, it is 6 comma 7. So 6 comma 7. Next, where is C? Here C is here, so it is nothing but 9 comma 4. Next D is here, 6 comma 1. So these are the points. If you make the points, then it is easy to find the distance. Okay, let's move to the finding the distances. See now, so I made the right points, right? So I am moving to the distances now, finding the distance between the each side. Okay, right. So first one, I am going to find the distance between AB. Okay, what is point A? A is 3 comma 4, and what is B here? B equal to 6 comma 7. So now finding the distance between AB. AB equals to, what is the formula for distance formula? That is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so now just substitute them in the equation, we get the values. Okay, this is x1 and this is, sorry, a little bit confusion. So this is x1, this is y1, x2, y2. Okay, now what is x2? X2 value is 6. 6 minus x1 value is 3 whole square plus y2 value is 7. What is y1 value? 4 whole square. Okay, now just do this. 6 minus 3, that what is 6 minus 3? That is 3 plus, what is 7 minus 4? 7 minus 4 is also 3. Then the 1 minute. So what is, sorry, what is 3 square? 3 square is 9. 3 square is 9. Okay, next, what is 3 square? 9. So 9 plus 9, 18. So no need to simplify. Okay, if it is a perfect square, we need to simplify, otherwise we don't need to simplify, just 18. Okay, root 18. So AB equals to root 18. Okay, okay, next we are going to find BC. Okay, so I will find here. Okay, BC. So we should find now BC. Okay, so what is B value? 6 comma 7. What is C value? 9 comma 4. Okay, now distance between BC equals to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, right. That is equals to under root, this is x1 and this is y1 and this is x2 and this is y2. Okay, now what is x2 here? 9. What is x1 here? That is 6. plus what is y2 here? Y2 is 4 and what is y1 here? 7. Okay. Now under root 9 minus 6 3 whole square plus 4 minus 7 3 whole square. Okay, minus 3 it is okay, right? Then under root 3 square plus 3 square. What is 3 square plus 3 square? That is equals to 9 plus 9. Yes or no? Yes, 9 plus 9. That is equals to root 18. So this root 18 is what? This is BC. Okay. BC equal to root 18. Now we need to find CD, right? So we will find CD now. So now we are going to find CD. Okay. So I am going to draw one line here. Now, C, what is C value? 9 comma 4 and what is D value? 6 comma 1. Okay. Now CD equals to under root. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. x2 minus x1, 6 minus 9 whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is y2 minus y1. Okay. What is y2 here? Y2 is here 1. Okay. So next y1 is here and y1 is here 4. Okay. So y2 minus y1, that is 1 minus 4. That is nothing but CD equals to under root 6 minus 9 what? 3. 3. Okay. That is minus 3 plus 1 minus 4 what? 3. Okay, clear. Now this is also minus 3, right? Okay. Next CD equals to under root 3 square is 9 plus 3 square is 9. Okay. CD equals to root 18. So CD value also we got it. Okay. Next we are going to do what we are going to do next? AD. Okay, AD or DA both are same, right? AD we are going to do. So just I am going to find AD right now. So what is A value? A value is 3 comma 4. Okay, now A value is 3 comma 4. So D value is 6 comma 1. So now AD equals to, so already we know the formula, right? AD equals to under root x2 minus x1 under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, right? Now this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. This is 1, 6 comma 1. Okay, this is 1. Okay, right? AD equals to under root, what is x2? 6. 6 minus what is x1 here? X1 is 3. Okay, so plus what is y2 here? Y2 is 1 and what is y1 here? 4. Okay, right, just do it. 6 minus 3 3 whole square plus 1 minus 4 minus 3 minus 3 whole square. Just simplify it, you get the answer. AD is equals to under root 3 square 9 minus 3 square 9. So AD equals to root 18. Okay. Let us check vertices also. Okay. Let us check the vertices. So what are the vertices? Vertices are nothing but, see now. So up to now what we find, just I will zoom it. Okay. Now see now, up to now we find AB, BC, CD and AC. Okay. AB, BC and CD and AD. Okay. Right. Now we are going to find diagonals. What are diagonals? See now, if suppose I am taking one square. Okay. So this is a square. If you consider this as a square, AB, CD. So these are the sides. A, B, B, C, C, D are the sides. This is AB side. This is BC side. This is CD side. This is AD side. Now these BD and AC are the diagonals. First, we are going to check whether all sides are equal or not. AB equals to 18, BC equal to 18, CD equals to 18, and AD equals to 18. Okay, now we check whether AC and BD are equal or not. AC and BD. So I am writing here AC and BD values. First, AC. What is A here? A is 3 comma 4, and what is C here? First AC, right? C equals to what? C is equals to 9 comma 4. C is equals to 9 comma 4. C is equals to 9 comma 4. So now we are going to find what we are going to find here. AC and what is AC and what is BD. So what is the BD value? B and D. B is 6 comma 7 and D is 6 comma 1. Okay, here AC and BD. AC is 9 comma, sorry, B is 6 comma 7 and D is 6 comma 1. So we need to find them. Okay, right. Okay, we are going to find the distances. Right. So it is very simple, right? It is finding as we have find the previous problems. AC equals to under root. So now this is considered as x1, y1, x2, x2, y2. Okay. Now x2 minus x1 whole square, right? So x2 is 9, x1 is 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Y2 is 4, y1 is what? 4. Okay. So that is nothing but under root 9 minus 3, 6. 4 minus 4, 0. So 6 square is nothing but 36. 0, 0. Okay, plus 0, 0. 0 square is 0, right? So that is nothing but 36 is your AC. Value of AC is 36. Now, so we can write as 36 as 6. Yes or no? Yes. So next we are going to find BD. So the BD is under root. Here this is x1 and y1. This is x2 and y2. So x2 minus x1, 6 minus 6 plus y2 minus y1. So that is nothing but 6 minus 6, 0 plus 0 square plus 1 minus 7. 1 minus 7 is nothing but what is 1 minus 7? That is minus 6 whole square. That is equals to 0 plus 36. So that is equals to 36. So can I write this as a 6? Right. Yes. So the BD value is 6. So I am ending the problem, solving the total end of the problem. So we confirm that as it is a square. Given thing is a square. Okay, given thing, entire thing is a square. So we are going to confirm that the given is an given thing is a square. Why? Because all sides are equal, at the same time diagonals also equal. See here, all sides are equal and diagonals also equal. So we will conclude who is here correct, who is correct here, we will say that thing. So who is correct here? So here, so what is Jarina told here? Jarina told that, therefore Jarina asks Pani that, don't you notice that ABCD is a square? So here Jarina is correct. Okay, Jarina is Jarina is correct. Yes or no? Yes, Jarina is correct. Why? Because ABCD is a ABCD is a square. Okay, ABCD is a square. Here all sides are equal. All sides are equal and diagonals also equal. And diagonals are also equal. So we can set this as a ABCD as a square. Okay. So here all sides. What are the sides here? All sides are AB comma BC comma CD comma AD. These are sides are equal. What is diagonals? What are diagonals? AD and AC and BD. Diagonals are also equal. Okay, so we can conclude this as a square. So moving to the next problem. What is the next problem here? The next problem is that, okay, so what is the sixth problem? The sixth question is that show that the following points are equilateral triangle or not. So first of all, what is equilateral triangle? When all sides are equal, we set the triangle as an equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. Okay, if all sides are equal, if all sides are equal, then the triangle is said to be, then that triangle is said to be right angle triangle. Okay, then the triangle is said to be right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. So what we do here, just we have to find here, for suppose A, B, C. Okay, so A equals to given value, A equal to A comma 0, B equals to minus A comma 0, and C equals to 0 comma A root 3. Okay, we should find them. Now we should find the distances between them. Okay, so first of all, solution is distance formula. The distance equals to, what is distance formula? Distance equals to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the distance formula, right? So now first I am taking AB, right? AB equals to under root, so we remove this one, it is not at all useful here. So right, AB equals to under root x2 minus x1. For suppose this is x1, this is y1, x2 y2. Okay, now x2 minus x1, what is x2 here? Minus A, minus x1 is what? X1 is A. Okay, next plus y2 is what? Y2 is 0. What is y1 is here? 0. Okay, so now next, that is minus A minus A minus 2A whole square plus 0, that is equals to 4A square. Okay, 4A square. So we can write it as, what is, we can write it as 4A square as 2 square into A square, that is equals to 2A. Am I clear? AB equals to 2A. Okay, so next we are going to find BC. Okay, we are going to find BC. What is B value? Minus A comma 0, and what is C value? 0 comma A root 3. So BC equals to under root x2. What is x2 here? This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. X2 minus x1, that is 0 minus A. Minus A minus A becomes plus A. So next y2 minus y1. What is y2 here? A root 3. Y2 minus y1. What is y1 here? That is 0. Okay, that is equals to under root A square plus A root 3 whole square. Okay, so we will get that A square plus, so A square plus, oh, it is here, right? A square plus, so A root 3 whole square means A square 3. Okay, that is nothing but 3A square A square, that is nothing but 4A square. So we can write it as in 2A. Okay, we can write it as in 2A. BC equals to 2A. Next we are going to do AC. We are going to do AC. What is A value here? So the A value is A comma 0. A value is a comma 0. A value is a comma 0. A comma 0. What is C value here? C value is C value is 0 comma a root 3. C value is 0 comma a root 3. This is x1, this is y1, x2, y2. Okay, right. Now AC equals to under root x2 minus x1, that is 0 minus a whole square plus y2 minus y1, a root 3 minus 0 whole square. So that is equals to a square plus a root 3 whole square. Okay, what is a root 3 whole square? That is equal to 3a square. Okay, 3a square. If you are confusing, see here, I will do here a root 3 whole square. We can write it as a square root 3 whole square. So 2 gonna cancel. That is equals to a into root a square into 3. That is nothing but 3a square. Okay, na? Right. So that is nothing but under root a square plus 3a square is nothing but 4a square. That is equals to 2a, right? So AC equal to what? 2a. So we find all the three sides, right? So let us sum up the problem. Then if all the three sides are equal, then what we will say? If the three sides are equal, then the triangle is said to be an equilateral triangle. The condition is satisfied or not? Yes. So we give the conclusion as that given all sides are equal, so ABC triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Okay. So this is your sixth solution. Okay. In the upcoming videos, we are going to do the seventh problem, and remaining problems we are doing in the upcoming video. Okay. Thanks for watching.